So in today's video, I'm going to take you on a graffiti walking tour through Astoria, Queens. Now, this video may be a little conflicting to some people because had I done this video 10 years prior, this video would look a lot different. So basically what I'm going to be showing in this video is what I came across, some locations I previously knew about. But I mean, basically Astoria is it's not a place full of graffiti that much anymore. It's pretty cleaned up. What Astoria is mostly known for now is the Welling Court mural project. It's a area of Astoria where they have an event every year where they paint all these blocks, all these streets, and they have a block party. I don't think they're going to have one this year, an official block party, but they're starting to redo some of the walls. So I have some footage from last year of the walls, and I have some current footage of the walls. I also may be doing a second video at some point because there's some hidden spots, some tracks that I'm not going to get into. This time of the year, everything's overgrown, so it's hard to see like some of the old gems, like the real history. There's a lot of history in Astoria, so this video is not the end-all definitive video of what Astoria graffiti is all about. I'm doing this all in one shot, just walking around. And yeah, this is basically like a day, just taking a day out walking around in Astoria. This guy was pretty legendary, PC Kid. He passed away, I think about 10 years ago now. Yeah, he had so many murals around here. Can't really tell the wall under here if this was one of his murals, but I think it was. Yeah. I went kayaking a few years under this bridge, the Hellgate Bridge, and this is actually a really treacherous area for boaters and kayakers. You have to really study the tide charts, and I actually did, and I made it through there like 10 minutes after you shouldn't be going through there, and I got caught. There's like a whirlpool.
Ah, shit. Let's keep going. Stay to the shore.
It was actually July 4th, and then we ended up just having to run to the shore here and just gave up because the waters are way too rough. There's a whole thing about how treacherous the waters are right here. Just the current is really strong and powerful. So this is a parking lot that I found a few years ago, having no idea it was here. It was a pink, I think it was like a Lady Pink Smith cycle mural, and I have the original pictures I could upload. I think my pictures are already 10 years. The wall was running, but it was a tribute to the Martin Wong Gallery. I mean, I kind of wish this was still here. But you know, obviously the bombers, you know, they just took the spot. The wall was pretty chipped. I'm not saying who's right and who's wrong, but like the wall was pretty chipped away, as you could see. So, like you could see up here, you could see some characters, the backgrounds. I'm not sure who exactly worked on the wall, but this was a good one. Yeah. Pink and Smith, they used to have a lot of murals over here. Like I said, this wall was barely hanging on as it was, so it was basically a free-for-all wall. It's just chipping away, so definitely some real good history here. As you can see, the cycle piece is still hanging on. But you could see how chipped away the wall was. Someone left a piece of art. It's like a framed piece of artwork. I mean, that's actually pretty cool. If I had a car to put that in, I'd probably take it, but leave it there. It's in this parking lot. If it's still here when you guys see this video. Definitely a classic wall in Astoria right now. It's like a random place to have stickers. And who even puts stickers on like wood boards like this? Because it doesn't really stay. But someone clearly went out of their way to put this together. I don't think this was necessarily random people putting stickers up. I think someone peeled these stickers down from the lampposts or wherever and just lined them up and made like a display of them. That's what it looks like to me. Because look, they all look like they're peeled off. It's really strange. You could see where they peeled the sticker off the sanitation garbage can and they put it on this wood board. It's so strange. See, like, that's art. That's what I consider that's street art. I mean, that's just weird.